Guys, back with Bassingtons. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all keeping safe. Today, we're going to do a first on Bassingtons. We're going to do an unboxing of a pair of Wellington boots. Yeah, I've actually just purchased a new pair of Wellington boots, and a few months ago, I put a vlog out putting Hunter against Le Chameau. So it'll be interesting to see which brand I purchased. I purchased these from Bagnall & Kirkwood. I'll put a link in the description. Alan and the team will look after you. Great service as ever. I just want to say I'm not under contract by Bagnall & Kirkwood, nor I'm under contract by the manufacturer. These are what I believe are the best Wellington boots for a male to purchase. So we'll unbox them. You've all seen my previous vlog. It will come as no surprise that I've chosen the Hunter Balmoral Wellington boots. So I'll quickly unbox this, come beautifully packaged. And there we have the new boot for the season. I must admit, I can see very little changes aesthetically to the Wellington. It still looks as well made as ever. But one neat touch I do quite like is it comes with two sets of insoles. These are the 5mm insoles. I currently have the 3mm insoles in. Again, it's neoprene lined. You obviously have a hook here to get your foot and leg into the boot. Obviously, it has side adjusters on it. Very good support on the heel, on the ankle, in the toe. A really strong welting on the boot, and again, that wonderful vibrant sole. One thing I would say from the previous season's Hunter Wellington boots, I think there was more support in the main body of the boot. You know, it really is strong, and that's why I chose the Hunter over the Le Chameau. I want something that gives me plenty of support in the leg, in the heel, in the ankle, in the foot when in the field. And I felt Le Chameau, although a very comfortable Wellington boot, does not do that. That is why my choice is Hunter. Stay safe and stay tuned.